Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you are part of the crew already, hello, welcome back. Thank you for coming back and watching another video here on my channel. So you guys, for today's video we are doing our March Boxycharm unboxing. I know I didn't unbox last month, but I will make it up to you guys this month. So if you guys are not familiar with Boxycharm, which I'm sure you are because they are everywhere on Instagram, I know there's a lot of unboxing here on YouTube as well, but you know, I do have a subscription with them too, so I wanted to do my own unboxing here on my channel. And you pay $21. It's a monthly subscription and the products is worth more than $21. Most of our boxes exceeds $100 per month, so you guys need to check them out. I will link everything that you need to know on the description below. So you guys, if you want to see what I have in my Boxycharm, I'm sure you guys seen all the Boxycharm boxes, but if you guys want to see the look that I'm going to create with the palette in this month's box, then just keep on watching. So I've already had my base, my brows, all that good stuff, so let's get into the box. So your box comes in this just black box and it has Boxycharm, Hello Charmer, and this is everything in my box. Just a little preview. So this is the card this month. It just says vacation. It is very tropical, and at the back of this is all the information, the prices, tips, how you can use all these products. So that's pretty nifty. I'm gonna keep that right there so I can give you the prices of these products and also what they are all about. Let's go ahead and try the product that I can't try for you guys today, just because I have my full face already, and that product would be the South Main Eye Gel Packs. So this reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturize eye area. So this is pretty nice to have. So this South Main Beauty Under Eye Gels retails for $10. There are 3 packs inside. So this is what they look like. And then it tells you, how to use it at the back. So this is definitely something that I would use maybe at night before I go to bed, just just to pamper myself just a little bit. So the next thing in the box is this pretty packaging right here. I think it's the prettiest packaging I've seen so far. This is from the company Pretty Vulgar. So this is a blush. It says make them blush. Hush Blush, I think is the name of the blush. But you guys, I know it's plastic, and I seen one review saying that it is so cheap and this and that, but it is so pretty. Yes, it is plastic, but it's pretty sturdy plastic. So this is the shade of this blush. So this blush retails for $26, you guys. Wow. This silky smooth formula is long wearing and highly pigmented, so we need to be careful when we apply them to our cheek. It's buildable, can be worn alone or paired for a multi-dimensional pop-up color that will flatter any complexion. So that is really pretty tone, but we just need to be careful when we're applying it to our cheeks because we don't know how pigmented it is. So I'm just taking my blush brush and oh my goodness. So that is definitely pigmented, so little goes a long way. I went a little too much, but it's okay. I wanted to show you guys how, how it looks on my skin tone. So make sure you be gentle with it and don't go crazy like I did. But it is really pretty on the cheeks. The next thing in the box is the Smokey Eye brush set. It is so cute. I love the packaging. This is from the Vintage Cosmetics company. There's 3 brushes in here. Look how adorable this packaging, you guys. I love it. I love it. So there's 3 in here. It says step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, and step 3, go girl go. That is pretty cute. And then it tells you at the back how to use it. Use your shadow brush to sweep a light shimmery color over your lids. Pack a darker color onto the angled shadow brush. And then the smudger brush can be used to blend the 2 shades together. So I'm gonna try to just use this brush today for today's look. Okay, so this is what the brushes looks like. So you have your smudger, you have your angle brush, and you have your packing brush or packer brush. It's pretty cute. It's very simple, but I like it. Let's see how much they retails for. So this retails for $23.15. They are soft, but they are pretty dense. So definitely good for smudging and packing, but blending with a dense brush is kind of hard. Well, me anyways, I like brushes that are a little bit fluffier and softer when I am blending, but we're gonna try to use these brushes anyways. So let's go ahead and get to the palette. This palette is everywhere on Boxycharm's Instagram. You will see a whole bunch of looks and pictures of this palette. This is what the outside looks like. It just says Boxycharm and PUR, so they collaborated with them. We get a lot of PUR cosmetics in our box too, so they collab with them often. So this palette retails for $36. I like that it's sealed on both sides, so it really protects your shadow, you know, from getting damaged. But it is a bitch to open. It comes with a pretty good size mirror, but I'm gonna fold it so I don't blind you guys. So this is what the palette looks like inside. Look at all those gorgeous colors. Let's take this out, and not only it comes with vibrant colors, shimmery colors, but it also have matte shades that you can use for transition, for setting your lid. So this is definitely a good palette to have. You don't have to reach for your other palette for transition and setting your lid. I've seen a lot of look on YouTube using this on their lid, you know, cut crease with this color, halo with this color. The shades that I'm gonna use, I will definitely swatch them for you. Now let's go ahead and set our primer on our lid. I'm gonna take this shade right here. It is perfect. Oh, that's so cute. So I'm gonna go swatch this really quick. This is definitely a shade to set our lid. Can you guys see? That's pretty good that it's blending into my skin tone. I like that. I'm also taking this brush. This is step 1 for the money. So I'm gonna dip into that. The brush is really, really dense. I like my brushes just a little bit fluffy and soft. So I'm gonna take this angle brush. This is step 2 for the shadow. So I'm gonna take Naked, that's cute, this one right here, and I'm gonna put that onto my crease. Let's swatch that. This is a good peach color right here. Can you see? I think my light are very, very bright, so it's washing it off, so I'm so sorry. So I'm gonna take that and apply that to our crease. Okay guys, so I'm just winging this look. I have no idea what I want to do just yet, but let's go ahead and I really don't know what I want to do. I think I want to take a little bit of BFF on the crease, just to give that, you know, that color. I think I'm also going to use this for my pop-up color on the bottom instead of this one, just because everybody's using this already. So let me try a different look for you guys. I'm just going to take a little bit of this to put on our crease, just a little bit of dimension, so it will tie in when we put it on our lower lash line. So let me go ahead and swatch this for you. That is so pretty. Wow, okay. That is really pretty, you guys. So I'm just going to take that packing brush and dip into BFF just a tiny bit and just use that on our crease as well. And then I'm going to take that brush again and dip into Naked, and let's blend that. So you guys, this is my failed attempt on full cut crease. I know they look janky, but it's okay, we're moving on. So I just cleaned up the lid and then I set that with Perfect, this one right here. And now I am gonna take Bay, this one right here, and I'm gonna put that where I cleaned up the lid. I'm just gonna use the packing brush that's the step 3, which is Go Girl Go. So this, ooh, is really soft. I think these two complement each other, so that's why we're using it together. I'm gonna try my finger first. Definitely applies better on your lid with shimmery shades when you use your finger. So I want to take this one right here, ATL. Let me swatch this for you. This looks very pigmented. Oh wow, that is nice. Okay you guys, so I told you I'm just winging this look, so I don't know where I'm going with this, but we're gonna take that, the ATL, and I'm gonna put it on the outer V. I know, I just don't like how this is right here, so I'm just taking the packing brush. Okay guys, I like this better than the full cut crease. So you guys can skip the cut crease part. You can just put Bay on the front right here and then darken the outer V with ATL, which is what's end up happening to my lid, and I like it better. I'm gonna take Nike again and just blend the top even more and bring some of that colors more on the top. Okay, so we are gonna stop right there because that is a lot of work on our lid. Let's go ahead and go back to the box, and I'm gonna show you guys the last product, which is Double Decker Lashes Mascara. So this is from Butter London. So it says 200% thicker lashes and 314 increase in lash curl, and my lashes are the perfect tester for this because my lashes are stubborn. So let's go ahead and try this mascara. So this is the packaging. They have the double decker buzz, so that is a cute detail. That is a pretty big mascara. So this is, it just says Double Decker Lashes Mascara. I'm assuming it's black. Let's go ahead and curl our lashes. So let's go ahead and try this mascara. Also, it's just a regular bristle. It's not too long, it's not too short, so that's good. Right away, I'm noticing that it is like helping my lashes curl up a little bit, like it's holding the curl. If you guys can recommend an amazing mascara that will hold my lashes up and curled up, please let me know. I don't know, it's kind of actually holding the curl up a little bit. I mean, it's not as curly as I want it, but it's holding a little bit of curl, so that has potential. I'm gonna apply some falsies, so I'm not gonna add another coat. I think this mascara has potential if I just keep on layering it, maybe. I don't know. I'll have to try that without falsies. So I'm taking that packing brush. This is the step, which one is this? Step 3. Go Girl Go. Going back into the palette, I'm gonna go ahead and take this one right here and pack that on my lower lash line. I want this to be very visible on the lower lash line, so I'm gonna pack it on, go crazy with it. I'm probably gonna go a little lower than I should, but I like it that way. And now I'm gonna take that much fluffier brush and I'm just gonna blend that. And now I'm taking that ankle brush and dipping into Nike, which is the shade that we use on our crease, and we are just gonna blend that. Okay, now that you're looking like this, I don't know what this is, I want to use that blue. So I'm gonna wet my brush, dip into it, and I'm gonna use it as a eyeliner for my waterline. So I'm just gonna spritz my brush. And then I am gonna dip into this one, which is MIA. Just like that. And I'm also gonna use that to highlight our inner corner, just to tie in that blue with the waterline. I think that is a cute idea, maybe not, I don't know, we shall see. So you guys, that's everything in my March Boxycharm box. I really enjoyed playing with this palette for sure. This eye look is definitely out of my comfort zone, but I wanted to do something colorful today, and I think I achieved that. You know, we're looking like a Barbie doll dupe, but it's okay. I really had fun playing with this palette. This is definitely a fun palette to have, and with the colors in here you can definitely create the more subtle, more natural look with this palette. I really had fun with this palette. I love everything in my box. That blush, you guys, I love it. I love it. Maybe not too much on the cheeks, but I just love the packaging. The packaging sold me. The brushes is not so bad. You guys see me use it. It's okay. No complaint. And let's see, the under eye mask, I'm sure that is really good too. And the mascara, I have to try it a few times to see if it really holds the curl through the day, because my lashes, like I said, they are just pin straight. If you guys are wondering what's on my lips, I don't know if you like this type of color on your lips, but I just use this liquid lipstick from Caked. I don't know the name of it. It's this one right here. And on top of that, I've used NYX Liquid Suede. This is in Pink Lust, just that pink Barbie doll-ish feel to your lips. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this eye look that I created for you guys. Hopefully you try it. But if you guys are not part of the crew yet, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying this look. Thank you guys for being here, and like always, I will catch you on my next one. Bye guys.